Hi, it's Karen at RT Systems, and look what I have. I have the programmer for the IC705. This is what the screen looks like when it opens, and it's got a little bit of a gotcha in it. I'm going to tell you about that first. If I try to pick a bank, it tells me it needs a receive frequency. You must have a bank. Bank channel number is optional. But receive frequency is where you start. So if you want to work with that first, I'm just going to pick it up and move it over and put it first. Let's get it all the way over here first. There we go. And put it over here first. I just have to understand that now my receive frequency is here and my transmit frequency is here. So then I enter frequencies. In any order I want. Got in the wrong place. I heard that. And we automatically put them in bank 0. We got a default somewhere. The bank channel numbers. Now, let me tell you something about the bank channel numbers. If I want this channel to be someplace other in the list, all I did was click on that. This is my bank. These are my receive frequencies from right here because I'm in 0. It would have brought the name if I had assigned names to these. And I can move them up, move them down. I'm going to move this one down to number 5 and tell it OK. And notice now it's number 5 and this one's number 0, 1, 2, 3. And it's happy, and that would go to the radio. If I want bank names and linking, let's call these local, and this Cal State, and this Florida vacation. 16 characters. You can put a lot in and tell it OK. And it shows up on the screen, so I know these are now my local ones. I can go to the next channel or skip some if I want. Let's go down to channel number 20. And I want this to be Cal State, and I'm going to go Control C and Control V. And if there were a bunch of them, it'd do them all at one time. Copy and paste, column, copy and paste. But I wanted this one local anyway, so we're going to change it back to local. Now, these bank channel numbers, notice this one changed to 0 or changed to blank. If they are blank, we're going to put the channels in the radio in the same order that you see them here. You can use this to move the order around, or you can just let them go to the radio and we'll take care of putting them in order for you. We still have repeater book search. Looks very similar to what you always saw. And I tell it to create the file. And now all of that is in the file. And this is what I'm talking about with those blank channel numbers. These will just go to the file in the same order that you see them here. A couple of things we do to protect you. There are 100 in bank 0. I'm in a new file, that's why the name doesn't show up. But there are 100 in bank 0, and I decide I want this one in bank 0. Well, you can't do that. It only lets you put 100 in bank 0. So we're going to throw it to no bank to let you know your selection was not right. And then you can go back and adjust it however you want. We're going to put it back in bank one where it was originally. So we're trying to help you build this file properly so that you don't do anything that the radio can't do. We still have D-Star and the D-Star settings, and those work very much the way you expect them to. We still have D-Star and the D-Star calculator, which works the way you expect it to, the way you've always seen it in the others. And we have the settings screens. And this is huge. These are really big. They come across here. There's a lot going on in this radio. And then there are more. Notice there are little buttons here. There are more. The tabs are moving right here. So your first glance at it, you can see I'm testing, and we hope to have it here real soon for all of you to use. We're reading and writing the radio. Everything's coming and going the way we expect it to. We just want it to be a little more polished before you get it. Let's just put it that way. So it's Karen at RT Systems. Watch for it soon. 73s, K0RTX.